Treat your ears to the sound of the Porsche 911 GT3 Rally Car. Top off your year with some of the best-sounding rally cars on the planet. Porsche 911s may not make sense as rally cars on paper, but in practice, they are some of the most exciting machines to ever leave the asphalt. The latest model Porsche GT3 South are cool to watch and listen to as they cruise the roads of Europe. YouTube channel Belgian-Motorsport put together a compilation of all the 997 generation Porsche 911 GT3 rally cars recorded throughout the 2023 season, giving us the chance to enjoy 9 minutes of motorsport-inspired flat six glory. Footage taken from several events held in Belgium so far this year shows rally-prepared Porsches sliding, jumping, and speeding through hairpin bends, narrow straights, and haystack chicanes. Judging by the sound and speed, most of these GT3 South have been extensively modified to appear far from the smooth asphalt Porsche is aiming for. There are special suspension modifications, modest aero changes, shorter side mirrors, and a sequential transmission in place of the factory stick shift. Even with all those modifications, this GT3 may not be as fast as the all-wheel drive rally cars built for the sport. However, these cars are undoubtedly more fun to look at. With the more sideways some of these Porsches are, we suspect they're also more fun to drive. Please support me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share for the latest video updates. Thank you.